This is 732. This is the Naples floor plan. This house also faces north. We're a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2991 square feet. You have a guest bedroom closet here. And then there's the front bathroom here. This is the main bedroom here. This is on the north side of the house. And you come into the bathroom. Dual vanities, great light, shower, water closet, and a great closet. This house, 4-bedroom, 3 baths. So there's 2 bedrooms and a game room upstairs, 2991 square feet. This house is listed at $692, but it's ready. So they might be making us a deal. I can't believe it's available. And then you have the laundry room going into the garage. Eat-in, obviously TV is on that wall. Pantry, great looking tile. Go upstairs and take a look. Here you have a bedroom. Here you have an office for the kids. Another bathroom. This is 1, 2, 3 bedrooms upstairs, and then there's 2 bedrooms downstairs. This says it's 4-bedroom, but it actually has 5, and it has a big media room. Wow. That's going to be west facing, lots of light. It's going to be east facing here. What a great layout. $692, 5-bedroom. I can't believe this is still on the market.